you doing? J.Early here with J.Early Media, and just wanted to give some more insight and let you see, how to navigate with the switcher just a little bit once you have your cameras hooked up. I am doing a three camera angles setup, and I even have my cell phone here so that you can see the screen, so that you can see what I'm doing here. And so once you have your three cameras set up, and I want to do three. My third angle I don't have on a tripod. I really didn't feel like doing it. I'm actually going to switch to it right now. Wrong one. Boom. I'm going to switch to it right now just so that you can see it. And there's my third angle. How are you doing, guys? There's my second angle over here. How are you doing, guys? And back to my first angle. So I at least wanted to do three angles so that you could see how it looks. You can kind of get an idea of what it looks like, with three. I don't have four cameras yet. One day I will. But once you are all hooked up, there's some certain things you can do. Number one, as you can see, I can change the angles here by pressing the buttons. I have this toggle button. You can, change the angles there by pressing the buttons. And you can also put it here and you can change it by touchscreen. Now, of course, with that, you got to pay attention to the red cursor there because you need to make sure what angle you are on. Once you kind of get used to it and get familiar with it, so you have overlays, as you can see there, but I'll have to go here to the menu button. I'm going to hit overlays. And so if there's something that you wanted to do, like a graphic or a logo, you would hit this browse. You put it on your external hard drive that you use. Uh-oh, it's not picking up for some reason. All right. Okay. I don't know why it's not. Oh, probably because I'm recording. Yeah, but because I'm recording, it's not allowing me to hit the browse file button. But of course, you get it. Once you hit the browse file, you can access any type of files you have on your external hard drive. From there, you can pick where you want. From there, you can pick where you want that logo to be placed. So that's what overlays. And then you also have PIP here, which is picture in picture. And that's self-explanatory. Once again, you would go over here, PIP, and you would place where you want that picture to go. Being that I'm recording right now, I don't think it's going to let me try to go to the browse option. Close out of there. Another thing that I kind of want you to be aware of, and I made a mistake, is audio, right? So one of the things about audio that you want to be aware of, I'm actually on number. Let me switch back. There we go. One thing about audio that you want to be aware of. Let me go back here. Nope, come on back. Where you at? There we go. So I want you to be aware of with audio is that, like me, I like to use external audio. Right now, I'm using a Zoom M3 that's right above me. And so that's an external mic source that's not going directly into the Atomos, which I could do, but I like the quality and I like the technology in this mic. And so I use it separately. With that, you need to make sure that your Atomos is still picking up audio, because if I have it on mic line in, oh, no, I'm going back. Because if I have it on mic line in right here, then it's not picking up audio because it's expecting audio from, a mic or something that I would have plugged up to it. But you still need to capture audio, because when I take this video and drop it into Final Cut Pro and I take my audio file from my Zoom M3, I am going to need audio to match up those files, especially my external audio. It needs something to match up to make sure that my talking and my gestures is in sync with the audio that the Atomos has captured. Trust me, you don't want to learn the hard way where you nudging and hitting play, making the file bigger, nudging and hitting play. So you don't want to do that. So you also have here monitoring feature controls here. And so here we have waveform, RGB there. We have the vector scope, peaking. No, that's not peaking. Focus peaking. Yes, that is. This is the zebra. As you can see, my background is a little exposed, but it's all right. We also have false color there. You have your frame perspective. You have your guide, safe area, right? And a few other options that I can't access right now because I am recording. So, and this is also true of, you know, when you're not in multi-angle mode, because I love to use my Atomos just for recording. If it's just with one camera, I love the quality of it. Even if I was, you know, doing a mic in and I had an on mic situation where it's on my camera, or attached to my cage of my camera, it's amazing. The quality is absolutely amazing. Also, you can use this for live streaming, as well as there is a program HDMI out option. And from there, you can send this feed to another monitor or OBS or some other type of software that you may need to use. And so just wanted to kind of give you guys a little insight in how I work it, how I use it. Once again, I'm still learning, but I'm loving, hey, I am loving shooting. I'm loving learning and growing. And I'm hoping, as I was out here trying to learn about the Atomos and learn about the switcher, man, I'm hoping that this gives you some insight. I hope this helps you to make an informed decision if you're choosing to buy it. Let's go back to the other angle. And I hope it gives you some confidence in purchasing it. And maybe this is not for you. That's okay. There are other options out there. But to me, this is amazing. This is one of my favorites. But please make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share the video. There's somebody out there that's learning and growing just like me. I'm excited. I got another video on the way. Talk about audio and just sharing what I know. So I love videography. I love photography. And maybe what I'm saying here today will help somebody on their journey. All right, y'all. That's it for today. I'm out. Peace.